Hi, my name is Brody. I work at Volkswagen of Olympia. Today I'm going to be showing you a really cool feature on the Volkswagen Taos, that being the different drive modes that you can use to customize the ride just how you like it. Here in the Volkswagen Taos, you've got a couple of different drive modes. You can twist the outside of the knob to put it into snow mode, regular road driving mode, off-road mode, or off-road custom. You can adjust the custom according to exactly how you like it and exactly how you're driving it. If you go back to your regular road driving mode and then hit mode, it's going to give you a couple of different options up here on the infotainment screen. When you twist the knob, it's going to show you a display here according to which mode you're in. And when you're in regular road driving mode, it gives you a couple of different options. You can be in eco, which softens everything up, helps you get slightly better gas mileage. Normal, which is exactly what it sounds like. Sport tightens everything up and gives you a more sporty feel. And then custom, where you can adjust your steering and drivetrain according to how you like. Thank you for watching. My name has been Brody at Volkswagen of Olympia. If you'd like to see more, make sure to like and subscribe.